Glorious breakthrough, freedom from comparison. 1 Samuel 16:7. Man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. Galatians 6:4. Each one should test their own action without comparing themselves to someone else. Real talk lang. Nagkakapagod mag-compare. Scroll ka lang sa phone, parang lahat ng tao ang ayos ng buhay. Lahat may achievement, may glow up, may answered prayer. Tapos ikaw mapapaisip, Lord, ako po, kailan? Ganito rin ang eksena kay David. Parang may pa-audition for the next king. Tapos lahat ng kuya niya present, strong, good-looking. Parang sila na talaga. Kasi may leader quality. Samantalang si David, wala. Nasa field. Busy sa ordinary. Walang ka-hype-hype. Pero plot twist, siya ang pinili ng Diyos. Hindi man siya ang pinaka-obvious choice, pero siya ang tamang choice. Minsan feeling natin na pag-iwanan tayo kasi hindi tayo kagaya ng iba. Pero ang totoo, hindi ka behind. Hindi ka lang on the same path at hindi ka less. Iba lang ang ginagawa ng Diyos sa'yo. Ito yung breakthrough na hindi maingay pero life-changing. You stop comparing and you start believing. Believing na kahit walang spotlight, may purpose. Kahit walang applause, may calling. Hindi ka nakalimutan. Hindi ka extra. Hindi ka filler sa story ng iba. Ikaw mismo ang sinusulat ng Diyos. Reflective question. Kanino ka nagko-compare ngayon? At handa ka na bang bitawan yan? Command to obey. Unfollow comparison today. Follow God's purpose for your life.